Ever looked at your bank account and thought, is this a phone number or my balance? If you've ever been broke enough to consider ketchup packets a meal option, congratulations, you're not alone. Welcome to the club nobody wants to join, but hey, we throw the most creative potlucks. Now, before you panic, cry, or apply for a loan from your pet dog, take a breath. Financial problems are real, but so is your ability to overcome them. And today, we're going to laugh, learn, and level up. According to behavioral economists, most money problems aren't just about money. They're about habits, mindset, and the stories we tell ourselves. Think of it this way. If your brain is the CEO, your habits are the employees. And some of them, they've been slacking on the job. Maybe you're spending emotionally, ignoring your budget like it's an X, or thinking you'll start saving when you make more. But here's the twist. Studies show people often scale their spending with income, meaning even a raise won't save you from poor habits. Good news? If you created the mess, you can create the solution. It's not about perfection, it's about progress with purpose. Let me introduce you to the C.A.S.H framework, because money metaphors are fun, right? C. Clarity, face your finances. Open the scary app. Look at your debts. List your income. Ignorance might feel blissful, but it's expensive. A. Awareness of habits. Track every expense for 7 days. Yes, even that sneaky snack. You can't change what you don't see. Awareness gives you power. S. Simplify and strategize, cut the fluff. Cancel unused subscriptions. Create a simple budget, needs, wants, savings. Use tools like the 50-30-20 rule. H. Hustle smart. Increase income without burning out. Sell unused stuff. Learn a new skill. Offer a service online. Small side hustles stack up. You don't need to start a business empire, just a cash cushion. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your dreams. You fall to the level of your systems. Let's talk about money shame. Maybe you feel embarrassed. Maybe you compare yourself to that 22-year-old on TikTok who owns a Lamborghini. Chill, that Lambo's probably rented. Stop comparing, start repairing. You're not behind, you're becoming. Change doesn't start when the situation improves. Change starts when you decide to improve, regardless of the situation. Even philosopher Epictetus said, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. You can build wealth even on a tight budget by practicing discipline, gratitude, and intentionality. So take back your power, $1, one decision, one day at a time. Today's challenge, 1. Open your banking app, no screaming. 2. Write down your total debt and total income. Identify 3 things to cut from your expenses. Write 1 skill you can monetize this month. Say this out loud. I may be broke right now, but I'm not staying here. My bank account is temporary. My mindset is permanent. If this video made you laugh and think, mission accomplished. Hit that like button, share it with a friend who's financially stressed but fabulous, and don't forget to subscribe, because your money glow-up starts here. Remember, being broke is a moment. Staying broke is a mindset. Let's flip the script together.